One fleet, one crew, one inspiring success story. Together, we have achieved so much. We won many prominent awards as our premium class Mein Schiff. So, what is the key to our success? It's you. Why? Because you care. For your guests, your colleagues, yourself. You listen and pay attention to what your guests say. You act. You take initiative and believe in your skills. You smile and brighten the day by sharing your smile with your guests and colleagues. That is what pleases our guests. But every one of us achieves even more. You do not only make our guests happy, you exceed their expectations. You surprise. You amaze and delight every guest individually. You create wow moments and go the extra mile, beyond all expectations. You make our guests become our fans. That's you. You are the reason of this success story. Be proud of yourself, because you are first class.